Hi there guys, welcome to the new video on GetResponse training. Well, in this very short video, we're going to talk about how exactly to settle the DKIM, alright, which is one of the authentication requirement for your domain to improve your email deliverability. Alright, so based on the last video that we had, we're talking about how exactly to insert your custom email address into GetResponse. So same thing, hover your mouse over to the top right corner of this icon over here that says My Account. Click on it and click on Manage Account. So on the left, choose Email Addresses. So by now you should already have your own custom domain that is already being inserted into GetResponse. Then you will see this thing called Authentication. Alright, for my case it's Authentication Pending because I already got the DKIM record. So all you need to do is to click on the authentication button and you will see the TXT record for DKIM. Alright, so all you need to do is to copy this value into your TXT record. This one will be the value, okay, the TXT value, and this one will be the host. Alright, then as for the TTL, usually I will choose 4 hours minimum. Okay guys, so this is a very short video but very important, which is to set up the DKIM and to help you with your email deliverability. See you in the next recording. Take care.